Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check your Windows edition and build so you know compatibility, and save work because Explorer may restart. Once done, make sure pending Windows updates aren't blocking component updates. A quick reboot resolves that. Now open File Explorer using the taskbar, Win+E, or Start. You're beginning the update process at the right place because Explorer settings and extensions are managed here. This reduces unexpected restarts and keeps your session intact as you proceed. You now focus on the middle steps. Reset Explorer views and disable extensions that cause crashes. First, open View Options and reset folder views so corrupted view settings don't persist. This fixes many UI glitches. Next, use Task Manager or a shell extension tool to disable third-party context menu handlers. These often break after Windows updates. Then check Microsoft Store for file management app updates and install them. These actions minimize conflicts and prepare Explorer to accept system-level updates cleanly. You finish by restarting and verifying the update took effect. Use Task Manager to restart Windows Explorer or sign out and back in so changes load. This avoids a full reboot unless needed. Once restarted, open Documents, Pictures, and run a quick search to confirm responsiveness and context menu behavior. If issues persist, run System File Checker and DISM to repair corrupted system files. This frequently resolves lingering Explorer faults. If a shell extension caused the problem, re-enable them one at a time.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.